Good morning. It is Thursday, March 7, and today it's time to plant some plants and seeds in the garden. Had our cold snap, it's over with. I hope that spring is on its way. So I don't know if you can see this. Let me come closer and get underneath, but I have some plants underneath this kind of temporary cold frame. Just lift that up, and there's some broccoli, cauliflower, and collard greens growing in little pans I had out here to harden them off. And so I'm going to plant those and have some radishes and peas to plant. The beds are done. The water lines are in. Later I think I've got to divide these water lines into 3 different zones because it looks like only 2 lengths of that will be able to operate off the pressure, and but I can do that later. The T-posts are up with the wire up there to grow plants that climb, and down here wires also so you can tie baling twine from the lower wires up to the top as they grow. So just wanted to give you that little update on the garden, and I got to do some cleanup. Got some sand left over, my tarps and things over there, so that really needs some cleanup when I really paint my T-posts. But all that's going to have to come later because today is a good day. It's cloudy but not too cold, not raining. It's supposed to rain tomorrow or tonight, so I want to get these things in the ground. We will continue to update you. Okay, so some cold weather plants and seeds are planted. See if I can get a little closer and show you. Right there we have some broccoli planted down this row on either side, alternating rows, and goes down here to an area where we have cauliflower plants planted down the rest of the row. And here in the middle is collard greens. Cindy likes collard greens. That's when she's sick. She eats those and it makes her feel a lot better. So plant those for her. And also, which you cannot see, there are some seeds planted, some carrot seeds planted there. And at the end of this row, or the beginning of this row, is some radish seeds. And then in the other bed, where the climbing things are going, is there are some peas planted there, some sugar snap peas planted down there. So those are the things that are kind of cold weather things that I want to plant that I think can take some frost if it does come. And we'll wait for warmer weather to plant other things. One more update on the garden. I painted the T-posts this morning, so they're all brown to match our house. And get a little close-up of the plants that are growing here. My broccoli, cauliflower, and collards. They look fairly perky today. I gave them their first weekly feeding and watered it in. So I'm hoping that they'll start growing nicely. And just wanted to give you that update. Still waiting for seeds to come up. And hopefully that won't be too much longer. Until then, the peach tree is in full bloom right now. Looks really pretty. And the redbud trees are beginning to bloom. So I think spring must be here.